Hi guys, welcome back to 3 Seconds Math. In this tutorial, I want to tell you how to solve the Math Olympiad question by log property that you've never seen anywhere by logarithm. I take log of both sides. Log 3 to the power of x equals log x to the power of 9. I can write like this: x log of 3 equals 9 log of x. And I can write this equation like this: x over 9 equals log x over log 3. Based on log property, log a over log of b. If we have same base, I can write log base b of a. Now log x over log 3 is equal to log base 3 of x. So x over 9 equals log x base 3 of x. So 3 to the power of x over 9 equals x. X over 9 is 1 over 9 times x. 3 to the power of 1 over 9 times x equals x. So 3 to the power of 1 over 9 equals the x root of x. The x root of x is x to the power of 1 over x. So 3 to the power of 1 over 9 equals x to the power of 1 over x. 1 over 9 is 3 over 27. So 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 1 over 27. Okay, I can write this expression like this: 3 times 1 over 27 is 1 over 9 equals x to the power of 1 over x. 3 to the power of 3 is 27. So it is 27 to the power of 1 over 27 equals x to the power of 1 over x. Now the solution is so clear. Can you guess what? So x equals 27. Alright, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Bye for now.